Friends, so far we have seen how to draw full eyes with double folds. You must have come across people having cute and very small eyes. Why so? What causes the small size of their eyes? That's a good question. These small eyes are the result of epicanthal folds. Epicanthal folds are also known as epicanthus or monolid eyes. Look at this diagram. This is a skin fold of the upper lid that covers the inner corner of the eye. It almost works like a parapet atop. About the shape, it can range from a subtle curve to a more pronounced crescent, like the crescent moon, that defines the eye's shape. Where are they seen commonly? Epicanthic folds are common in infants, babies, and common of Northeast India. North, Southeast, and Central Asian descent. They can also occur in non-Asian groups like Polynesians, Native Americans, people of China, Japan, and so on. This could also be due to genetic conditions. What are monolid eyes? Good question. Mono means single, and you know that. Means an eye having a single fold, like this. Texture. What about the texture? The skin of the upper eyelid is very smooth from the inner corner of the eye to the part of the eyebrow. This is where the eyebrow is. Nearest to the nose, you find the nose here. This portion is very smooth. Now let's ponder what made these eyes so small. Reason is there are no creases or folds separating the eyelids into two sections. There is only one fold. So naturally there are no creases. Monolids decrease the opening between the upper lid and the lower lids. That doesn't mean their eyesight is poor. No, not at all. There are expert archers and long distance shooters in the Northeast, especially at Nagaland, India. Female artisans make good many beautiful jewelries and art pieces like this. You can see this is a tie. You can see how it goes. And this is a keychain. See how minute this is. Males walk down hills for minimum 15 kilometers to cultivate fields. At the same time, they weave beautiful bamboo baskets, then create craft pieces and also build bamboo houses. Apart from playing guitars, Hats off to such hard-working groups possessing small, innocent eyes. Now let's continue with our rendering work. From the eyelashes you can always make out it's a female's eyes. This lower lid touches the iris, lower end of the iris. The eyebrows go somewhere up here. When you blend it, they look softer eyelashes. Okay friends, that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a like below this video in YouTube. Hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel KACC Creator for its unique, different and really genuine. And you know that. Meet you soon. Shubha Dinam.